Hello students, welcome to lesson 1.9.3, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin dialogues 25 through 27 from our English course American English Conversations 1. Designed for beginners, these dialogues help English learners improve their comprehension and communication skills. You are encouraged to read along and pronounce together with the video below. Once you finish, don't forget to share what you've learned via the comment section below. So the first part is for you to read the dialogues in English, then translate them using the translator section here in your primary language. What we're trying to do is to get you to understand these dialogues completely. That's why first you try in English and second in your primary language. So first, let's read these dialogues. There are 3 of them. Dialogue 25. Shopping. Can I help you? Yes. I'm looking for a pair of white gloves. I think I wear size 6. The white gloves are on this counter. Let's see. Here's a size 6. These are very nice and they're washable too. Oh, I'll try them on. They seem to fit. How much are they? $5. All right, I'll take them. That'll be $5.20 with the tax. Okay, then we have dialogue 26, transportation. Shall we take a taxi or a bus to the meeting? We'd better take a bus. It's almost impossible to find a taxi during rush hour. Isn't that a bus stop over there? Yes. Uh-oh, there's a bus now. We'll have to run to catch it. Okay. Oh no. We just missed it. Never mind, there'll be another one in 10 minutes. And then we have dialogue 27, comparing. I think this material is much prettier than that, don't you? Well, I don't know. I like them both. Why do you like that one better? Well, the design is more interesting, and the colors are brighter. And it's not as expensive either. Oh, I see what you mean. And besides, these colors are more becoming to you. Do you really think so? I'll buy it then. So first you read these dialogues in English, and then you translate the dialogues into your primary language. And you read them in your primary language. So once you finish with that, then we have part 2. Watch, read along, and pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. Okay? So you watch this video, you pronounce with it, you read together with it, and then when you're done, you can leave a comment below, write your comment here, and put your name and put your email and then post comment. All right, students, thank you very much. We've just previewed lesson 1.9.3. Please do the best you can and focus so that you can improve your English reading comprehension, English listening comprehension, and communication skills. All right.